This is a 62-inch L-shaped gaming desk from Sedeta. Sedeta. Don't know how to say it. But it's an L-shaped gaming desk. It's 62 inches, but it's L-shaped, but you can make it one long desk to make it 87 inches. It has cabinets and drawers and pegboards, but instead of me just talking about it, let's put it together so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, I got a timer here. See how long this takes. I've built desks before and it's taken me hours, so I'm not looking forward to this, honestly. So let's just get this started. What, or not? You just beeping on me? Is that the right? Oh, there you go. And the timer started. All right, let's get started. I need space. This is gonna take me a while. It's been 5 minutes. Let's make there's different options. There's 4 options. L desk. Let's just do option 1, and then. You know what? I don't even have enough memory on these memory cards. About to find out. Step 1. How many steps are in this thing? It's a lot of pages. Oh, jeez. This thing is 40 pages. All right. Or 40 steps. 3 and 4. All right. Oh, Jesus Christ. Over here just for now. I think I'm building the frame first. Oh, cool! It's an outlet thing. That's cool. It's got 4 outlets up here and USB A, but that's fine. Yeah, see, some of these steps are really quick. Step 5 was just putting 2 screws in. Now let's get this on the ground before I scratch this up. All right, so camera 2 is down, so we're on this one now. It's fine. We're about over an hour in now. All right, we're on step. What step is this? Step 11. All right, where were we at though? Hey, before I stopped, I lost my tool. No. Turn you around. It's actually pretty late. Actually, I'm pretty sure you're set, right? So I just put you. Oh my God, you're heavy. Let's have you this way. Jeez, I forgot you're heavy. Heavy. I'm right. That's it. I think we're done. Other than the wall mounts, but I can't really wall mount this right now because this is not where I'm leaving everything at. 111 minutes plus 21. It's 132 minutes. That's over 2 hours, 2 hours and 12 minutes, 2 hours, 12 minutes. All right, that camera 2 is back. And where are we at here? It took way too long. 2 hours and 12 minutes to put this thing together, but it's done. All right, I'm gonna take a break, then we'll go over all the features of this desk. I'm so tired. Oh man, So yeah, here's an L-shaped desk from Sedeta. Now this is just one of 4 configurations for this desk. You can have it set up the way that I do here, or you can have the hutch on the other end of this desk. Or you can make it just one long desk with the hutch once again on either side. The desk is made of P2 particle board, which is durable and anti-scratch, which I scientifically tested earlier. 3 and 4, alright. Oh, Jesus Christ! It uses a thick metal frame to keep everything together and secure. It has adjustable feet pads to keep the desk stable on uneven floor, and they also help to protect the floor from scratches. So this has 5 drawers on the side. From the pictures, I thought they were going to be more solid wood or metal drawers, but they're fabric drawers. Not a big deal, but something to know so you don't get your hopes up like I did. They're pretty big drawers though, which will help you keep your desktop organized and free of clutter. Let's not talk about how my current desk setup looks like right now. There's a display cabinet over here that has pop-out glass doors. I don't think it's actually glass, but either way it's see-through so you can see everything that's in there. And there's the LED light strip along the top here to nicely light up whatever you have in here. There's an app that you can use so that you can control the lights. Or you can just use the control that's wired into the lights. You will have more control of the lights if you're using the app though. The lights have a mic built in so you can have the light color change in rhythm with sound or music. Does this light up the sound of my voice? Oh, it's changing at the sound of my voice. That's kind of cool. Or you can just use the timer function to create an enjoyable atmosphere. There's a pegboard along here so you can hang things like headphones or controllers. It only comes with 5 hooks though, so you'll have to pick some up if you need more. Along the side where the drawers are 2 iron hooks so you can hang a bag or whatever over here. Built into the tabletop of the desk is a power strip with 4 outlets and 2 USB-A ports. So you can easily power up your printer, phone, computer, anything you need to power on up here. So my thoughts on this desk: for the price of just over $200, it's a good option. The desk isn't as deep as I would prefer. I might be too used to my editing desk, but I like to have a lot of space on my desk. This is probably good for people who don't have a lot of space in their work area though. The drawers being fabric. I know I said it's not a big issue, but it uses plyboard to keep everything together, so you're not going to want to put heavy items in there. The power strip is nice, but it's in the corner. Or if you have the desk set up like I do, it's on the far end of the desk. I'm not sure how to improve on this though, since the placement can be good or bad for you depending on which desk configuration you go with. But the way I have this set up right now, it's not really ideal. The display case doors don't really sit even. It doesn't bother me until I turn the lights on in the cabinet and you can see the uneven gaps in the doors. This triggers my OCD a little bit. And finally, those lights are just a light strip that you stick onto the top of the cabinet. I've only had this desk for a little bit and the lights already started coming off on the side. I do have those clips that I can mount in there that would help, I guess, but it still just feels a little cheap. But yeah, once again, for the price, it's a good option. I have the black color here, obviously, but you can also get it in rustic brown or white as well. I'll have everything linked in the description if you're interested in this desk. Alright, I need to go clean up my editing desk. I didn't realize how messy it was until right now. See ya.